Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today is day 20 of our DevOps English Series 2025, and today we are going to learn about Linux user modification and deletion. So in the last session we discussed about user management, how you can create user, as well as we learned that how you can change password, all things. But today we will learn how we can delete user as well as how you can modify user. So first of all we will learn user modification. So this command is powerful because we can change username, change home directory, change cell, change uid gid, add user to group, and lock unlock user account. So we have to use user mode command for this purpose. Okay, so first one is user mode command, then option, and then username. So this is the guys basically syntax. Okay, so suppose that you want to change username. So before changing username, you need to create user. So yesterday we learned about user creation. So suppose I am creating user at Vivek. So Vivek user will be created. What? Vivek user will be created. After that, what we have to do? We want to change username. So first of all, check that Vivek user created or not. So you can see that Vivek user created and name of user is also Vivek. Now we want to change username. So user mode hyphen L for login name, then new name. So new name I said admin, and old name is Vivek. So now Vivek user will be as a admin user. So you can change username using user mode hyphen L option. So now you can see that what is the username admin. Now if you want to change home directory, so we want to check that what is the home directory of Vivek user. So ls home. So you can see that Vivek is the home directory for Vivek user. But now we want to change home directory. So first of all, what you can do, user mode hyphen D for directory slash I said admin will be our user. What will be? Admin will be our user. Okay, and then hyphen M for changing or moving data from our old directory to new directory. So you can give Vivek. So what it is saying, sorry, username is admin, not Vivek, right? Because we changed name of user. So admin. So it is saying that no changes. Why? Sorry. We used wrong option. Okay. So user mode is command hyphen D for changing directory slash admin is our directory and username is admin. So now you can see that if you will ls slash home. Okay, so there is Vivek directory, but if you want to check that directory has changed, home directory has been changed or not, so you can use cat etc passwd. So you can see that what is the home directory path slash admin. So this is the way how you can change home directory. After that, what is the uid of user 1011? If you want to change user id, you can also change user mode hyphen u for uid, and I said uid is 1050, for which user I said admin user. So now you can check that Vivek user uid will be changed. So this is the uid. So I hope this option will be helpful for you. Now there is also option that if you want to change primary group of your user, so you can change primary group of user, as well as if you want to add any user in a supplementary group, so you can add. But that thing we will see in next topic, that is our group management. After that, if you want to lock user, so you can lock user. So user mode is command hyphen capital L and then name of user. So what is the name of user is admin. So now admin user will be logged. Okay, so if you want to check status, so what you can do, passwd hyphen capital S and name of user. So you can see that it is showing lk logged, right? If you want to unlock, so you can use user mode hyphen capital U for unlock user. Okay, so it is saying that you need to set password before unlock. So what we can do, passwd admin. So we said 123 123. Okay, now if you will unlock user, so you've seen that user has been locked. If you want to check status, passwd capital S and name of user. So you can see that ps means password set. So this is the way how you can modify your existing user's name, user home directory, as well as uid also you can change. Now if you want to delete user, so you can delete user. So guys, for deleting user we have two commands. First command is userdel, okay, hyphen r and then username. Second one is what, only userdel and then name of user, so like said Vivek. So what is difference between both? Guys, if you will delete user with hyphen r option, so it will delete user and user home directory both. But if you will delete user using userdel command only, not hyphen r option, then it will delete only user. Okay, so for this purpose you can see that we will create user add and user one. Okay, and now we want to create user 2. So if you will ls home, so you will see that user 1 and user 2, user 2 and user 1, both directory are available as a home directory for user 1 and 2. Now what we did, user del and name of user. So suppose that we deleted user 1. Okay, what you did, user 1 we deleted. Okay, now what we want to do, now you can verify that user will be deleted but home directory is available. So you can see home directory available, but if you will check inside passwd, so user is deleted, right? User 2 only exists. Now if you will use userdel hyphen r and user 2, so what it will do, it will delete user and user home directory both at a time. So if you will ls slash home, so you can see that user 1 is only available, not user 2. Okay, now if you want to delete, sorry, check inside passwd file, so you can use cat etc passwd. So you can see that user has been deleted. So this is the way how you can delete user and user home directory both at a time. So guys, there are few scenarios when employee leaves company, so we need to delete user with home directory also. When user move to new team, then we have to add user inside other group, so that we will see how we can add user inside other group. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you are really enjoying my videos, so like, share, subscribe with your linkedin family and facebook group members. So have a good day. We will meet on next video about group management. Thank you to all of you.